Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. In this video we are going to solve ICSE Mathematics Class 7 Chapter 4 Exponents Exercise 4 B question 5, right? So this one is simplify and we have to simplify this. Basically here we have division. Now you need to understand two very important things before solving this question, and what are they? Just like in multiplication, what we did was add the terms, right? If let's say I had 5 square and to the power 3, right? So to simplify this, what would I do is multiply 2 and 3, so I'll get 5 to the power 6, and what will that be? 5 into 6, whatever, something that this will give that, right? Now here in division what we do is, after this you can multiply and find the answer, but in division it is a bit different, right? Now first thing is that again you see here the base, that is the numbers are the same, like the numerator and denominator both are the same in our fractions, right? So we can say that we will consider the base as a, right? Now if I have a upon a, right, this is my number, this is a by a upon a, right, and this a is same value and the powers are different, right? Now a to the power m if I have here, and a to the power n if I have in the denominator, right? Now if m and n are equal, okay, this is a and this is a again, and I'm repeating, this a has power m and this a has power n. If these two powers are equal, right, if these two powers are equal, then our answer will be what? 1. Okay, I'll tell you why and how. Suppose a, let's say a is 2, right? 2, so 2 upon 2, okay, and if m and n both are equal, so let's say the power of 2 is 3, okay, so 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 3, right? If you will simplify this and you do 2 to power 3, that's going to be how much? 8 upon again 8. Now 8 upon 8, you can cut this and cut this 1, so we get 1 here. Okay, this is why we say that a upon a to the power m upon a to the power n is always equal to 1 if both of the powers are same. Just like here both of my powers are 3, they are same, right? So after simplifying this, we got 8 upon 8, you cancel that, you get 1. This will always happen. Now comes the question, if it is not equal, right? If it is not equal, suppose let's say m is greater than n. For now we will see this only, the next one we'll understand in the later parts of the question, right? Now m is greater than n here, okay, same base, let's say a, right? So a to the power m upon a to the power n, okay, clear? And in this case what we will have is that a will be equal to m minus n, okay, m is greater than n and this m upon n, right? So we can have a as greater than, m minus n. I'll show you how. See, now in this case we had the same power, right, 3. Now let's take different powers, okay. If I have same base 2 upon 2, but this 2 has 3 as its power and this 2 has 2 as its power, okay, this is what it is. Now if we see here, or let's say this one has 4 as its power and this has 2, right? Now what we'll do is, you see, again simplify this one, right? So you'll get 2 to the power 4, so 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 upon, then 2 to the power 2, so 2 into 2, right? We get 4, 8 and 16 upon 4, that's 4, right? This becomes our answer. 4 is our answer. And now you see here, express 4 in the power of 2, okay, so you'll have it as 2 to the power 2, right? Now see here, 2 to the power 2, this exponent we have got after doing the division is 2, okay. This 2 you can see here, 4 minus 2, m minus n, so m minus n, 4 minus 2, that is what? 2, right? So what we got is the difference of one power and the other, the greater one and the smaller one, right? 4 minus 2 is 2, and here we also got 2, so this is what it is, right? Now let's solve our questions. Now the first part of this question is 5 to the power 4 upon 4 to the power 3. Again you see here that 4 and 3, this 4 was m and this 3 is, let's say, n for now, So you see m is greater than n, 4 is greater than 3. So subtract the powers. Okay, we will have here, sorry, this is not 4, this is 5. Okay, so we will have here what? 4 minus 3, that is 1. So 5 and 4 minus 3, right? So 5 to the power 4 minus 3, that is 5 to the power 1, or simply what we can write this as is 5, right? Then the next one of this question is the second part. Let's solve it as well. So we'll have 2 upon 2. This one has 8 as its exponent and this has 5 as the exponent. Again, 8 is greater than 5, right? Exponent of the numerator is greater than the exponent of the denominator. So subtract this and this. So 8 minus 5 becomes, first of all 2 will be written here, right? And then 8 minus 5, this will do. Okay, so we'll get 2 to the power 8 minus 5, that is 3, right? So 2 to the power 3 and that's going to be 8, right? So our answer becomes what? 8. Now let's move on to the next part. Now let's move on to the next one. This is the third part of this question, right? And we have 7 upon 8, sorry, 7 to the power 8 and then 7 to the power 6. Again, what we will do is simply subtract the powers, right? So we have 7 will be as it is, the base ones, and 8 minus 6 will be our exponents, right? This one will be 7 to the power 2 and that's 49, right? So this becomes our answer. Then the fourth one of this question, the fourth part of this question, whatever, we have minus 2 upon minus 2. This one has 4 as the exponent. Now here we have to do a little bit more than what is given in the question. You see, this minus 2 has no exponent. Whenever no exponent is written, the exponent is 1. Okay, so I'll just write it for your convenience here, 1. Okay, you can write it as well, but it's not required. Now you can subtract this and what will you get? Minus 2. Okay, minus 2 to the power and then 4 minus 1, right? So we have minus 2 to the power 3. Okay, this becomes our answer. Now so solve this. Okay, so we'll get 8 here, and will we put a minus sign? Yes, of course, because our exponent is what? Odd. Okay, so minus 8 becomes our answer. Now let's run to the next part. Now let's solve the next one. This is the fifth part. Okay, and what do we have here? Minus 3 to the power 10 upon minus 3 to the power 6. Again, solve this. So we'll have minus 3 to the power 10 minus 6. Okay, and what will we have here? Minus 3 to the power 4, right? So this will be how much? 3 into 3 is 9, 9, 20, 81, right? So 81 here. And will you put a minus sign? No, because why not? Because our exponent is even, right? So 81 becomes our answer. All right, and friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe, hit that bell icon down below so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Leave a like on this one. Till then, take good care of yourself and bye bye.